If you're new to herbalism, one of the first things you should learn to do is make a poultice. A poultice is simply creating a paste out of herbs, applying it to cloth, and then placing it on the affected area of the body. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chest congestion poultice that uses warming herbs to loosen stubborn mucus. To make the poultice, you're going to combine 2 tablespoons dried mullein leaves, 1 tablespoon fresh grated ginger, or 1 teaspoon dried ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seed powder into a bowl. Then you're going to add hot water 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. You want your mixture to resemble a thick paste that's not too watery, but that will hold together. Once the paste reaches your desired consistency, spread it evenly onto a piece of cloth or cheesecloth. You want to make sure that you leave a little bit of room to fold the fabric. Fold your fabric so the herbs are enclosed but will still be in contact with the skin. It's normal for you to have a little bit of liquid seeping out from your poultice, and actually that is beneficial to your skin. You can have your poultice be flat, but a lot of people like to gather their poultice into a bag and apply it to the affected area. Apply the poultice to your chest while still warm. You can cover with a towel to trap heat and leave in place for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove and rinse with water.